Hello fellow, you're welcome again to our YouTube channel, Obike Justin Photography. So today I'm going to show you guys how I use this one light setup AD600 to get these amazing pictures today. So today we're in a park and we're trying to get just a simple look with a dark, she's a dark skin girl, that's our model, and stay tuned. So for the camera we're using R03 and the lens we're using 50mm 1.4. So mostly my setting is for the speed we have 1/250 and the aperture we have 1.4, and also the ISO I'm using 50 because of the kind of camera I'm using, so I can go as low as using 50. So guys, stay tuned as you shoot with me.